weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
$20 over Israel.
He's down. Hey, rooftop, got them.
Loaded fresh man. Hell of a job. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
He's down.
Is anyone in the lobby interested in buying my feet picks? Finky Wongle Dorgle, Snippy Juggle, Buggy Borgler Donkle, Finky Winks, McGloober Dunkies. Be advised, I just kicked my grandma down the stairs. Life alert ain't helping you this time, Grammy Bear. Attention, I have 5 minutes until bedtime. Please to tuck you in.
Across us.
9 left. Keep the pressure on.
Bitch ass nigga.
You've got 10 squads active in the
Oh shit, he's there.
We're returning you to the front.
From where?
From tank, bro. Full team. They pushed over from the
Oh
control.
shit. Tower, tower. tower.
Watch out, Loli's not there. Oh, damn. Reloaded here. Fuck that. Gotta go. Drop right on me, bro. Damn.
Grab him. Oh wow. They will hit you.
Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated. Squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Another teammate, bro.
They shot from toes.
Oh, is he on the roof? Shit.
DVR ready for launch.
One jump off.
Enemy UAV
Yeah. Bitch. Got one down.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh my god.
No, I landed on top of the money. Wait.
Wow. Do it, bro. Do it, bro.
Come on, man. Just
Get
do
that
it.
shit.
Leave no one behind.
Bro.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online.
Work, Captain. Charge, Captain.
Oh, you dead.
On top, too, what's up? Oh, shit.
No longer active.
Up top, bro.
Top where? Oh, you bitch, bro.
Squad mates back on station. Good work.
Where did I
Additional
die?
target added while time remains.
Hey.
Drop me one? Yeah.
Safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Reloading.
Hostile UAV in the area.
I'm taking you over, Stimpy.
There's window control. Oh shit, we in it. We in this thing.
Round out. Made it to the top five. 5 spots still operational in the AR.
Oh,
Squad mates restart. Five spots up now. Enemy UAV online. Operation Cape Operation.
burning somebody.
Fire solution was down. Missed.
You better.
You're in the top 3. Don't let up now.
Eyes on enemy.
3
Again.
squads left in the zone. Stay alert.
Deploy napalm strike on my grid.
Be advised, you should stop playing this game and go touch some grass, you little virgin. Be advised, enemy backshot is down.
Little smoke, that's crazy. Oh, shoot.
Be advised, I got
Enemy soldier incoming.
Thought you had it, boy. I really thought you did. You never hear him, bro.
I'm scared, bro. That nigga is scared.
Oh, damn. Real quick, bro. What kind of gun was that, bro? Thank you, Master Shifu. Don't worry,
bro. Don't worry about it too much, bro.
Don't worry about it too much, bro. Yeah, come back. Oh. See, I'm not worried, bro.
Don't worry about it. I'm running away.
Don't worry about it, bro.
That nigga, bro, still bothering me.
It's over with, bro.
You gotta go meet him. I'm meeting him. Oh shit.
Oh, bro, I thought you was Marshallese, bro.
No, bro, this nigga's Christian.
I thought you was Marshallese, bro.
I'm Filipino.
Bro, how you shot me, bro? I like to see that, bro. Oh, you was laying in the corner, dude.
Alleyway, alleyway.
How many?
Just one.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Fuck, I'm dead.
Switch your man.
Don't worry about it, bro.
That nigga's running for his life, too.
Don't worry.
Oh my
Like two,
goodness, bro.
boat, bro.
That shit.
Squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV
Key card.
I'm with you, Captain. What are we doing, Captain? Don't worry about it, Captain. I'm not gonna do anything.
Oh, you bitch. I got
Two of them.
One. Oh, shit.
another chance. Weapons
Oh. Where's this nigga at? Bro, they all running, bro. Why?
At the loadie, bro.
Oh, you. Why?
At the loadie, bro. Watch out.
I see an enemy. Switch him out.
That was a good decoy, too.
Back to fire.
Ready for business.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Don't worry about it, baby. We'll be back. Bro, don't worry about it, bro. Just
I'm
give
not
up, bro.
worried,
You'll
bro.
be back, bro.
It's okay, bro.
You're good,
Pick me
bro.
up if you don't worry about it. Freaking God.
Marshal requesting hard bomb spot.
Bro.
Living quarter, bro. Stairs.
Gas on my ground.
There.
They're looking down on me, man. Where is it? Fucking place at, bro? My place is gone.
Gas on my grid.
That quarter at.
You got it. Oh, you hit me and then I'm a loser, bro.
Any plates, bro. Oh, they're upstairs. On the roof. Like, you know. Looking at the bicycle right now.
Whoever my leg. That man.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh, you bitch.
Soldier. Survive.
I'm back.
Don't worry about it, bro.
Enemy UAV over.
Alright, bro, don't worry about it.
This guy. You're not working your corner. It's kind of early to be working in corner.
I said they put me in the broken. Same guy, bro.
You have reinforcements. Enemy deployed an advanced UAV.
Yeah, bro. Sorry, Master. That's what happens when you're ass, bro.
Gas moving. Enemy UAV
Yeah.
overhead.
Sorry.
Squad mates back on station.
back on the roof.
Why can't I jump? What the fuck? That's just stupid. Oh, you fucking, he's broke.
And they
Jeez.
same guys.
Oh shit. By gondola.
Don't worry about it, bro. Oh, gondola, gondola. Hey, don't worry about it. You got the gondola, bro.
Reloading.
No ammo, man. You're working shot for that prison. I need plates, bro. That's what I need. Oh, I'll take that core. Oh. This game shall receive.
Oh my.
Done.
I'm missing the nut.
Oh shit. Stop snitching, bro.
Oh, goddamn.
Don't do that, bro.
Don't worry about it, bro. I'm gonna buy you guys.
Look at that movement. It's crazy, my friend.
Captain's got it, boy. Don't worry. Don't worry about it, bro. I grabbed them already. Don't worry about it.
Still operational in the AO.
Somebody always on top or what?
Yeah. Chemical.
How many?
You wanna use my charger? My backpack? Back in this bitch, Dominic Toretto. Oh shit, special.
Dropped one, dropped one. Ready.
Wow. No more.
The whole team.
Don't worry about it, bro. You got it, bro. Don't worry, bro. You got it. Don't worry about it. We're running everything.
Don't worry about it, we're all gonna come back.
Yeah, bro. We're all gonna come back.
We're all coming back, don't worry about
Bro,
it.
you're gonna have back out. Don't worry, bro. I cannot back out, bro.
What kind of fucking gun is that, bro?
That's the new assault rifle, bro.
It looks like a SMG, bro.
It's like an MP40, bro. Oh, I can't.
Who is it? Oh,
Me.
it's probably Justin. Oh, is it you, bro?
Yeah, bro.
He said real one. What real one?
Oh.
Bro, this is real one, bro. As you can see, you went 0, 0, 0, 0.
The royal one, yo.
Oh, Battle Royale.
Wow.
Fucking god.
I'm like a bird, I only fly away. Okay. Where's this gun, bro?
I got the verse and I got a good hook.
I'm sitting on daddy.
Yo.
Hi.
Yeah,
I got some
bro.
work done with another surgeon.
Scatterball.
Gotta move.
Gotta
Scatterball.
move.
Gotta move,
That's what
bro.
you said. Scoutable, bro. What the hell?
Gotta
I was about to say, is
move.
he dreaming about my running back right now? It's never gonna happen.
You called it lucky.
Oh.
Lucky.
What was that, temporary?
They lucky we didn't whoop them harder.
Wow.
They're lucky we never go for 40, bro.
Wait. Captain,
They're lucky we kept
who's
their
your
pants
team,
on and spanked
Captain?
them, bro. Who's your team,
Bro,
bro?
who's your team?
The Browns.
Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Get out of here,
Get the
bro.
fuck out of here, bro. Hey, do
Get
me a
out
favor,
of
bro.
here, bro.
Press your PlayStation button and go sleep, bro.
Bro, turn off the
You and your
PlayStation,
cocky
bro. Go sleep.
Prescott,
Dog, that's
bro.
crazy, bro.
Sorry,
No.
bro.
Cocky
Menzies, bro.
Prescott, bro.
Go Moul
Sorry,
Samero, bro.
May that nest, bro.
Get out of here.
Oh.
Freaking cocky.
Freaking
And
Cowboys
the
fan. I
arrow
had a
pack
feeling,
Malone,
bro.
man.
Man.
Get out of here. Get out of here, bro.
Fucking Cowboys
Dallas,
fan,
bro, if
bro.
you're a Dallas fan, you ain't whooping shit, bro.
Get out of here, bro.
Get out of here, bro.
What a scrub team,
You
bro.
looking shit, but Dak Taylor.
Why the Cowboys, bro? That's the only team you know. Damn, bro.
I want you to be the first Kasan and go join the Jets, bro.
Yeah, bro. Bro. Whoa, what are you talking about, bro? We talking about
trust them,
teams,
bro.
bro. No.
Did you guys even play the Eagles yet? Did you guys win?
No. They
Who
lost
won?
to a running back.
Bro, the Cowboys suck, bro.
That lame ass tush push, bro.
Oh, bro.
4 tush
Crazy.
pushes in one drive and they lost.
Nah, bro.
First thing goal, bro.
Tell me the luck in that, bro. Where's the luck in that?
Hit your head, bro.
UAV is
jump.
He's in the bathroom. He's in the bathroom.
Keep pushing. Squad's active in the field. Squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Ooh.
Wow, this guy's a big hater, bro.
This guy's a hater, bro. A hating cowboy.
Where you from? Melon, bro?
That's typical, bro. When you guys gonna make it past the first round of the playoffs, bro?
Look at these losers,
Bro, your team is garbage, bro.
Teams are working so hard. Aiming
Oh, bro.
You're
That's crazy,
That's
bro.
nuts,
UAV
bro.
overhead.
Sorry.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Wow.
Oh, bro.
It's just the beginning, bro.
Wake up, bro. Your team's not making it to the Super Bowl, bro.
That's a negative. Better specific.
Bro, what? Bro, it's been 30 years, bro.
It's been years.
Hands on my grid.
It's been 30 years, bro. We had 18 presidents since we got one of the last years,
Wow. What is he trespassing for?
bro.
In the safe zone. Stop gas moving in. Enemy UAV overhead.
I had two. The Dallas Cowboys are old news, bro. The New York Football Giants, bro. The Cowboys are, bro. The New York. That's why every time you say our name, it's New York Football. We play
Stop
football,
camping,
bro.
bro. Get out of here.
You guys are going to busy with oil, bro. Not a football owner, bro. Oh shit. You cannot act like you don't know his name, bro. You cannot act like you don't know Scatterboo, bro. Rookie of the year, bro. Who's your running back? A scrub, bro. Bro, who's your running back? Ezekiel Elliott is gone. He's fat, bro.
Loadout drop headed your way.
No, bro, your owner is wasting your money, bro. Jerry Jones is wasting the team's money, bro. Jerry Jones is using it on oil fields in Dubai, bro.
It's every year,
You don't
bro.
Bro, it's always your guys' year, bro. Been saying this since 1997, bro. You guys had like 6 quarterbacks.
97, bro. That's a trip.
9/11 never even happened. You guys won the Super Bowl, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
Why not? He's using
there's a
Cowboys.
Liar.
Bro, there's
Liar, bro. You said that shit with pride, bro.
Fucking right. He said it with pride.
You said that shit pridefully.
He was proud of Dak
He put some
Prescott and the
bass and
boys,
everything.
Bro, once a call girl, always a
Guy
call
was
girl,
getting mad
bro.
and
boys,
everything.
bro.
Why are you salty, bro? More
Kansas
words.
City, you guys ended the game off with a tie against the Packers, bro. How do you do that?
Wow. Getting shot from...
You guys are the first
Prison.
tie of the season, bro.
What's crazy is the Cowboys fans
Who
talking
is it,
shit,
no?
bro.
The delusional Cowboys, bro. They're not from Dallas anymore, bro.
Broke down.
You guys are
over.
gonna go 8-8, bro.
Dropped.
You guys are gonna be a wild card team
Oh,
this
this
season.
guy's gun is trash. I
At
don't know why I
best,
grabbed
bro.
that.
Oh, they got me this time.
Somewhere.
Oh fuck.
They're at main in that window over there.
You right there.
Hey, bro. Oh my god.
He's up there. On the roof.
The same niggas. They're the same niggas that called
I
that
ain't
kid
placed
up.
in some ammo, bro.
Over here, bro.
Everything, bro.
Wow, where's
Spot
the
one.
ammo shit?
Yeah, we
I
got
dropped this with his
Somebody's around us.
It's a cowboy thing. It's okay. You'll be back next
It's
year.
a convoy thing, bro.
He said, "Oh."
There you go, bro. Don't worry, bro. I got you back already. Don't worry, bro.
Another
Bagging him up, bro.
back it up, man.
Mac Jones, bro.
He's coming in. He's coming in. He's coming in.
Coming
Let me eat these ribs and potato salad.
from the
boy.
cold. Is it out top?
Yeah, bro.
I know, bro.
He's in the backside.
Oh, yep, second floor.
Drop. One more back there. Oh, he's the only one. There he's somewhere. I see you now. Bye. Oh, missed the first time. My bad.
Go get after it. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Bro, this fucking MP40 is bad, bag.
Yo.
Bro. MP40, bro. Oh, sorry, Captain. My bad. Was I yelling? My bad, Captain. My fault. My fault.
Get to the safe zone. Hostile UAV in the area.
What's wrong with you?
Get him, Captain. Get him. Don't tell us where they are.
I think they might be top prison too, bro. Yep.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, now what, dummy? Now what, dummy? Now what, dummy? I don't even...
Where is it? Goodbye. Dead. Finish. Dropped in there. Don't worry about it, bro. We'll be back. Don't worry about it, bro. We'll come back.
Trash.
One down in the gap. Watch out, me.
No.
Main looking toward it.
Airstrike those bad boys. Window. Bam.
Broke him.
In my backpack.
Fucking bitch, bro.
Yeah, it's in there too.
Drop your ass. Bitch. Almost. Don't worry about it, bro. You gonna buy us back, yeah?
Yeah, bro, don't worry about it.
Don't worry, man. Only 4 of the team. 2 of the team. 2 is that tunnel, not tunnels, but tank. 1 over here.
Oh my god.
You broke, bitch.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it, let me know.
They hit us hard that time. Dust yourself off. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Yo, where we going, Captain? Oh, that's good. They're the motherfucker, man. That motherfucking bitch. Nah, they didn't even see that motherfucker. Bio shooting too.
In
front of Kelly.
Yeah, these motherfuckers shoot over there too.
For your loadout, my boy.
Let's go polyatomic.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that, bro. Polyatomic watch. Don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it, bro. You're gonna come back, bro. Don't worry. Man. Yep. Do it, Captain. That's why you called Captain, man. Not for fun.
Enemy advanced UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. Safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Oh, behind us.
He broke up there.
Cam.
Yeah, Cam broke. On me. One more on me. Oh, sorry, Captain. My bad, Captain. Oh, sorry, Captain. Drop the one on top, Captain.
The enemy is no longer tracking you.
Damn, Captain, what happened?
Okay, we got.
Damn, Captain, what happened?
Loadout drop headed your way.
Wow, great job, Captain. Thank you, Captain. Broke him. He's in that corner. Get him, Captain. Get him. Get him, Captain. Get him, Captain. Get him, man.
You thought the one.
Oh.
Tell him why you pushing us, bro. You did it. Kill them.
10 remain. You're almost done here. You've got 10 squads active in the field.
Get him, man. Don't just call it out. Okay. Go get him. Fuck yeah, you can call out. He was waiting for comms to run by first. Right above us. Everybody go.
Oh, you bitch. Oh, you bitch.
Let's go,
Second floor. Cluster strike.
Switching mag.
Damn. On the boat.
Need blood.
Make it count.
Dang.
Ali, wait, Tito. Tito, Ali.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
Fuck, Lody's no good at all. Over here. I'm here up over here. You got money? Oh, yeah, enough over here.
You've got a loadout from
Come over here then. That's a lot of people left.
Fuck yeah.
no more second
Good job.
They got a loaded on here, what the fuck?
load up.
A lot of water.
Oh, yo.
Check your fire.
Wow. Captain.
Hostile UAV in the
Oh.
Marking field upgrade.
Yes, Captain, I'm just leaving. I'm coming to you. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. No, bro. I need my captain, bro. I need ammo. Yeah, get it straight, Captain. I need you, bro.
Following is how you die. Yeah, we're on top. What you gonna do about it? We're on top. What you gonna do about it? Oh, is that true?
What?
Oh. Bro, Captain is a gangster, bro.
Bro.
Yo, bro.
Oh shit.
Ah, bro, on top. My bad, Captain. I wasn't listening to you.
Where you at, dumbass? Where you at, dumbass?
hostile UAV in the area.
Bro, my controller is just in there. Oh, so much people resing, bro.
Sorry, Goddess. You sound hot, though.
Oh, you fuck.
Oh.
Yeah, I know what it's like to want to make it in the gas, broski.
Counter UAV.
No.
Hey, Tito Buga.
Put your ass up, bro.
Tito Buga. What the fuck does that mean, dog? Just wondering.
Your dad.
Above you, bro.
Uh-oh. That's not a good look. No, you don't like that?
Oh, you bitch, bro.
Good shit. Bro, you smoke weed. Bro, you smoke weed. FSM. You smoke weed, bro. Go smoke right now and relax, bro. What? You like them all stand? Wow.
Oh, so you're a sniper.
Oh, he's Chris Kyle, bro. That's bro.
Yeah, whatever, bro. You can do whatever, bro. You're the captain, bro.
You're promoted. Do whatever you like.
You've been promoted, bro. Do what you like, bro. Hurry up, captain.
Don't ask us what we like, bro. Whatever you like.
Just play him, captain. Nah, don't worry about it, bro.
Shut the fuck up. I never keep asking shit, bro. What are you talking about? That's you worrying about every corner, bro.
Concerned about people laying down.
For real.
Every corner they're laying down. What you like them to do? Stand up. That's good.
And this guy's over here at the corner dancing. Fucking yeah.
That's my captain, bro. That's my captain.
That's how you promoted. Ross.
Rick.
Who's that? Oh, Jay Cross.
The fuck does that mean, bro?
It's a Dallas thing, bro.
The San Francisco 49ers, a.k.a. the James NFL head east.
Oh.
That's kind of hot.
Crazy. Crazy, bro. I think you got your words mixed up, bro.
What is this guy on about, bro?
Some shit. Oh. Oh, he fucks up membranes, guys.
What the membrane?
Wow. He's insane in the membrane.
Fuck.
Watch out, bro. You careful.
Like K-Dot.
Fucking June Noda sounding ass nigga.
What? Okay. Not that you know that, bro.
Fucking Asher we at that ass nigga. Wow.
Fucking June Noda's #1 fan, bro.
Ah, bro, it's him, bro.
I think you're the one.
Hey, you know June?
Oh yeah, I know him, bro.
Wow.
I played with him, bro. What? June Noda, bro.
How many times would you like to play with him, bro? Oh, no. I'm just asking, bro.
We're just asking
you
how many
play
times
with
you
him
play with
one
him.
time a day, 2 times a day, 3 times a day.
Bro, tell him
you
to
like
hop
playing
on,
with him,
bro.
huh? Oh shit, you're right. Look at him. Oh, let's go, G.R. Jr.
That's gotta be Henry Noda, bro.
Yeah.
Gotta be, bro. Sounds like Henry Noda, bro.
Nah, sounds more like the kind, bro.
Who? JR.
Kagi Noda.
Wow.
That's him.
Okay, Kaki Townzilla.
Kagi
Bro, I
Noda.
get his greatest hits, bro.
Oh.
He got his greatest hits on CD, bro. Burned them and
Got
everything,
the vintage Kakis, bro.
Bro.
Wow.
Wow.
This guy, bro.
Yeah, number one.
Number
one support, bro. What? Wait.
Whoa, what's up, bro?
Chill out, bro. Relax
bro,
on
your
this guy,
pastor's
bro.
gonna whoop your ass, bro. Don't do that, bro.
Relax, bro.
What's up, bro?
Yeah. You're not gonna be allowed in church anymore, bro.
Wow.
You're gonna be outside of church chewing your open and spitting on the floor, bro. They're not gonna
No
let
more
you inside, bro.
flush, my friend.
You're gonna be outside eating soup.
on the forehead and shit.
Done, bro.
The lokes on the forehead with the flaming fire t-shirt, bro.
Order in the offering basket ass niggas.
With the Walmart fucking tins
With the
on.
Walmart tins, bro. With the black ass
fucking
jeans,
dragon orange
bro.
and black fucking button up, bro. Get out of here with your ass.
With the orange flames, bro. That's the one,
bro. That's crazy, bro. Jack
the Timbs,
Walmart dog, it's crazy.
Bro, the Walmart Timbs, bro.
Out here living it with some sandals.
You're gonna be outside with all the other bad boys just chewing gum, bro. Chewing gum, smoking cigarette, bro. Watch out.
Not the short sleeve rolled up,
Yeah, bro. They just show up to church to hang out, bro. They don't even go inside to worship, bro.
The pack of cigarettes inside the fucking sleeve, bro.
Rolled up, bro.
Oh, bro.
They're telling all the kids to stay inside. Don't come outside. The adults is outside. You're not supposed to be outside at all, bro. You're supposed to be
Cowboys,
inside,
bro. It's a Cowboys thing, bro.
It is, bro.
Oh,
the Kansas City
gang.
Wow.
Make up your mind, bro.
No, bro. Tech 9 is his neighbor, bro. Watch out.
Oh, Red Kingdom, huh?
Oh, not that Tech.
Watch out, bro.
Oh, yup, you him, bro. You one of his fan, bro.
Him, bro. First you know that, I'll Tech 9, bro.
Bro, this guy's the owner
I
of the
bet you
Chiefs,
walk
bro.
like him too, huh?
Wow.
I bet you walk like Mahomes too, bro.
Bro, when I grow up, I wish I played like you, Captain.
Bro, it's more like Cocky Crew, bro.
Wow.
KC Cocky Crew, bro.
Cocky Cream, bro.
You got him, Cocky.
Oh. That was good. You come back?
I'm not fucking
Play search and destroy to find these niggas, bro. This black ass on, man. Let's go. BO2 style, man.
I'm gonna do it, bro.
Don't worry about it,
We gotta
bro.
buy you back.
bro.
You gonna wait, bro.
Bro. If we gotta waste money on you, bro, we came here for nothing.
Hey, drop your money, drop your money. I love you.
We gotta make it better. There you go.
You fucking guy, bro.
Hey, make sure you hold money so you guys can waste your money on me. No, what the fuck? Drop one.
Oh, you mother.
Drop two. One more on the hill by me. Oh, two of them down on the hill. Hey, don't worry about that. I'm gonna, oh shit. Damn, here we go. Bro, I suck at this shit. Huss.
2 rounds, I got only 2 rounds.
Bro.
That's who I am. What's up, bro?
Run that shit.
Brother, you wanted to play Battle Royale, bro.
Yeah, bro, you brought us here. Green, who's green? Where he stay, green? I'm on the other side of it.
He's
Where's my
running like
team
he's
at,
standing
man?
behind the wall. He's right here. To your left, yeah.
I hate this game, bro.
Don't worry, bro. I'm coming back, bro.
Ready to go.
Oh, man. Oh, shit. My bad, Captain. Where am I going, Captain?
Bitch ass nigga, let's go. Bitch ass nigga.
I don't know where I'm going, bro. Where we going, bro? Oh, you're not even back, bro.
You're not even back. What are you talking
I'm
about?
talking this weed like it's us, bro. You're not even back, bro.
You part of the cocky crew for real, bro.
The cocky crew, bro. The Diddy party, bro.
Fucking Commander Cocky, bro.
Let's go with the Diddy party, bro. Let's stay in the cocky crew, bro. The KKC, Cocky Goshaya crew, bro.
Yo.
Stay moisturized.
Cocky Incorporated. Oh shit, from where,
Cocky
bro? Oh,
Incorporated.
on the fence.
Don't die, bro. Don't die, bro. Oh shit. He right there.
Yeah, bro, they're right there, bro. Oh.
I got done something, bro.
Where is this guy?
Fine, Barb.
It's not the Cowboys, bro. This nigga. Bro.
Who plays multiplayer, bro?
I'm waiting for the 20s to get Captain. Nobody tell you for not use the other one, bro.
What is it?
Nobody
your
gives
eye,
a
bro.
fuck. Open your other eye, bro. Nobody hating, bro. I don't know why you wasting
need
your
both,
eye
bro.
energy, bro. Just open it.
Oh, the apple and banana.
The older one, bro.
A-E-I-O-U, bro.
He's gonna do
Learn
the
that.
older one, bro.
The right,
Avery
right,
want
right.
to?
Oh, you forgot your left and right.
Do you understand the
Do
words
you
that are coming out of my
understand?
mouth?
Okay.
It's shy, bro.
You know that, bro. Oh, wait, you smoking in the house? Nah, sir.
You crashing out for real?
Bro,
You smoking this
American,
in the
this
house,
guy. He's very American already. You don't pull that shit in Kushai, bro. I bet you.
Cannot, bro. You'd be arrested, bro. Especially on Sunday, bro.
You gotta go 20 miles to smoke that shit.
Nah, look at this American Kansas City guy.
Okay.
We're headed to the war zone. Get geared up and stand by.
Just another cocky from Kushai.
I
the cocky pop, bro. Fucking cocky pop.
What? Bro, cocky is you, bro. You know it, guy. What do you mean, what is a cocky?
Oh, no. Oh,
Enemy soldier incoming.
Let's go.
alright, Captain Cocky, where we going? Back out, kick this nigga from the party, bro. Back out and kick this
You
nigga
got
out.
5 seconds, bro.
Freaking cocky master, bro. Cocky master 691.
Bro, Captain's not here, so he's gonna tell us where to go, bro.
Ooh. What is baby oil? He's cocky. There you go. Hello. I heard you fucking. Oh, you fucking bitch. Fucking Batu boy.
Get out of my face, my boy.
Let's go polyatomic.
Get
Let's
out
go
of
polyatomic.
my face, bro.
Let's go polyatomic. It's over. Polyatomic.
Gotta be Micro Atomic.
Fucking gold, Tom. Fucking.
Money in the bottom.
Oh, you.
Come on.
He's in here, bro.
Where?
In that little shack up to your right, bro. As soon as you get into the right.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Bitch ass nigga.
Oh.
Requesting recon above.
Bro. What's going on? What is
that
the
loading?
deal?
Well done.
Nobody about to load it? Not that one. Above me. He's above, bro.
Oh my god. Tunnel.
Oh yeah, bro.
Tunnel. To your right. Tito. Yep, inside. What are you talking about, bro?
Team on chemical already.
Bro. These niggas need to get off my dick, man.
What floor is that, bro?
Second floor.
Damn, right there. That's the wrong question, bro.
Hey, you see UAV or?
Oh, I'm getting hungry. Bro, you gotta get on your knees, bro. Don't do that, bro. You let us come faster. That's what you gotta do, bro.
The fuck?
Give me a second, Captain. I'm looting. Nobody's clear over here. I'm chilling.
Robbery, bro. It's a robbery. Broad daylight, bro. Bro. Throw that shit on the ground, man. Jesus.
Bro. Damn. On hilltop. He's pushing down. Right there. Right there. Get him, get him.
17 seconds.
Nice. I'm gonna drop on that prison loading. Cut his ass off.
Helipad, helipad.
I'm gonna end this thing.
I get plate box over here, see what I mean.
Where are you shooting, Gabriel?
Bio.
I'm on me.
Ooh, fucking bitch. Ground floor Indy. Oh, you fool. Oh my god. Right ahead of you, Tito. Other side to your left. He's an Indy behind you, Tito.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Yeah, go for it.
Where they at?
Bro, Lodi's good, bro. Drop on Lodi.
TACOM requesting napalm strike on my mark.
You have reinforcements
Up there.
inbound.
Side by, and that hilltop right there. Got that one at the end.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tactics.
Oh, rooftop. Oh, industries. Motherfucker.
Real.
Adding armor.
Oh.
Oh, bro, I thought you fell asleep, bro. Didn't hear you in a while.
Oh, you bitch, bro.
Oh, you
Justin,
stupid
watch out, they're
bitch.
coming, they're coming. Justin, watch out, they're coming, they're coming. They're coming, watch out. Watch the hole, watch the hole.
I somebody ran on. I'm out to the wall, my shit over there. Don't buy me that.
Oh, they're over here, they're over here. Oh.
He's in the tunnel. Playing the small.
Oh shit.
He's running towards by sidebar.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
He's got really fast. For real, bro. What are you doing?
What are you doing? Careful, bro. What are you doing, bro?
He's at 13.
Oh.
Come on, bro. You gotta log in.
Fuck, bro. Fuck, bro. Oh. Wow.
San Francisco.
Bro. Bro. Sorry, bro. Menzies, bro. Oh. No, bro, you need to shut up, bro. Use both. Bro, you gotta use both, bro.
That's why you don't fight.
Bro, even Moul don't like the freaking the Cowboys, bro.
Yeah, bro.
One-star rating, bro. That's the rating, bro. 1 star, bro.
Shine bright for what?
I know, bro. America's team, bro.
There's no diamond in that team. Nothing but bronze. Nothing but bronze. Bronze, bro. They spray painted gold.
Huh? Yeah.
I don't want to go and see it. No.
Bro, nobody wants to go to Marshall Islands, bro.
That's a rip off, bro. I don't want to go there, man. Why would I go there, bro? The fuck?
What is there to do in Marshall
Like?
Island, bro?
You're headed to the war zone.
Drink
Flying
ketchup in
2
Marshall
days to
Island.
get
I'm
over
good,
there.
bro.
Hell no, bro.
No Marshall Islands, bro. Who's the ambassador? They're the violence, bro. This guy.
Yeah. St. Marshallese. Bro, you work at the airport, bro. What are you talking about, bro? Oh, ass up, nigga. You at the airport. Been a long day doing nothing, bro. Just clock in and kill your battery.
Bro, turn the game off then.
How the fuck? Go sleep, bro.
Turn the game off, bro. Yeah, then we can survive a little bit without you, Captain.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Wake up.
Oh.
Oh. This guy's poetic. On the roof, on the roof. Oh shit, I'm thinking you guys are talking about where I'm at.
Bitch, bro.
My guns is ass.
Enemy UAV overhead. Squad mates back on station. Good work.
How's your food, bro? Did you eat it?
I'm eating it right now, bro.
Bro, pretty spectacular.
Broke on the roof, broke on the roof.
Bro, what happened, bro?
Bro, I think they got you now.
Bitch. He's in the bathroom, bro. To your right, there. Oh. Good kill.
How am I not hitting him right now, bro? I just couldn't fucking shoot him, bro. It's crazy. He's up close as fuck.
Don't run, bro, don't run. The hell?
I don't know, these ribs is fucking smacking, man. All flop control.
From where, bro? Oh my god. I hate these niggas, bro.
Don't worry, bro. You're coming back, bro.
What happened?
You're good, bro.
It's okay, bro. I'll struggle.
Yeah, bro. I'll struggle with this, bro. It's amazing, bro.
Alright, what? that guy watching the guy.
Oh bro, I didn't even see that lady over there, bro. Getting shot from up top. Not the wrong way to see that while I was at it, bro. Crazy. Oh shit, oh shit. Living quarters, 2 second floor.
Hostile shooter. Adding armor.
Now ensure the point is secure. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Come on.
Napalm strike inbound.
He jumped down from fucking tower.
Hilltop, Tito. Hilltop. He jumped down, he got the buy, bro. Tito.
Yep.
You have reinforcements inbound. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Are you sure? Yes, Captain. We're on the way, Captain. I got my money. Bro, my man. I thought they was trash as fuck, Captain. Nah, bro, that's me, bro. Run, and run. Hey, come back alive, stop laughing.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Back on the field.
What are you waiting for?
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Bro. Bro. Stupid, bro. Drop that nigga, drop that nigga, drop that nigga.
He's broke, he's broke.
About.
Captain, you gonna come shoot or what?
Oh.
Hey,
he's coming up to you, buddy. Jeff is coming up to you, bro. Oh. Awful.
Your life, blood. Don't think about it, bro.
It's all on you. Stay alive. Well done.
He's here, they're upstairs, bro. God. Bro, just die, bro. You're gonna come back, bro.
I'm just gonna die. I'm eating.
Ooh. That's crazy, bro. That's so crazy, man. Time to drop and die, bro.
Bro. Everybody was shooting, bro.
On the boat. On the.
Oh. Hey, he's in the water.
Watch out, boys. He said he's gonna make us swim, bro. Make us swim, bro.
Oh.
He makes swims, guys.
Whoever's on the boat, he's in the water.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead.
He's at the zip. He's at the zip.
Buff body, he's dead. Right on me. Back in the water. We're being haunted, bro. What are you talking about?
Oh, get up, get up, get up.
I give you 5 seconds, bro. If you don't shoot somebody, I'm backing out.
You're in the top 3. Don't let up now. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Less than 5 people standing. Next time we'll take that victory.
You were.
Have fun sucking dick, bro. Oh, fuck. My bad, my bad. I thought you left already, bro. Oh, my bad, Sorry, Captain. Oh, sorry. No disrespect. Sorry.
Whatever you seen it all.
Oh, wow.
He says